Hi, hello. What's your message from your spirit animal? We'll do this from Aries to Pisces. Okay? Shuffling. Aries. Okay. Message from your spirit animal is there might be some sort of rage na mafe-feel mo this coming in the next few weeks. So you have to be very careful lang na I mean mga Aries talaga kasi mabilis magalit. So you just need to calm down. Kalma. Kalma ka lang. Okay, Aries? Pero whatever it is na kung ano yung reason kung bakit ka nagagalit, I think the way to calm you down is to understand the different perspective, the perspective of yung kaaway mo. Okay? So, yun yung spirit animal mo. Ay, by the way, it is the vulture. Yun yung spirit animal mo. Okay, yun yung lumabas. Next is for Taurus. Okay, there will be a lot of healing. Siguro in the next 3 weeks, mafe-feel mo na parang medyo nagiging, ano ka na, na nasusoothe ka, nagkakaroon ka ng sense of, nakakalma na ako. I feel that things are changing for you pero in a better way. And parang ang healing process naman is hindi naman siya talagang smooth sailing na 'di ba kapag kunyari nagkaroon tayo ng ng sugat 'di ba? It's sometimes we feel na may konting hapdi pa ng slight. So, wag natin kamutin, alright? Wag natin balik-balikan yung reason kung bakit tayo nasaktan in the first place. Okay, so yun ang nakikita ko right now for Taurus. There's healing and it's the deer. Ito yung lumabas sa'yo. Okay? For Gemini, intelligence. I feel that for Gemini, you will get the information that you need para mas makapag-move forward ka sa whatever endeavor that you've been having recently. Okay? Um, you will also be using your wisdom, yung ano mo, yung knowledge that you have to be able to succeed in whatever it is that your goal is, whatever ambitions that you have. Okay, next will be for Cancer. I feel that you will be more inspired, Cancer, to do a lot of things. You have the salamander, and parang nothing's stopping you right now. You have that source of inspiration. And kung hindi mo pa yun nafe-feel, I think in the next 3 weeks, mas magkakaroon ka ng parang, siguro may makikita ka or may ma-experience ka that will trigger that inspiration. Okay? For Leo, you will be very busy as a bee. Okay? There will be a lot of productivity. You will feel that you have been taking off a lot of the things in your checklist, in your to-do list. Okay, so congratulations to you, Leo. For Virgo, okay, nakikita ko dito, it's you will feel a little bit shy, na hindi mo masasabi yung mga ibang things that you've been wanting to tell a certain person or a certain group of people. So, ang take ko dito is just ipunin mo yung courage. Whatever your opinion is, whatever your idea is, throw it out as long as it is well thought of. Okay. Libra, the next 3 weeks you need to prepare. Um, you got a squirrel for Libra. Um, siguro it's more of kung kunyari you have this big gig or you have a huge presentation, be it pays to practice para hindi ka mapahiya. You have to be able to learn how to discipline yourself para ma-achieve mo yung gusto mo. And that entails a lot of practice, a lot of preparation para you get to where you want to be. Okay? For Scorpio, nakikita ko, you got the beaver kasi here Scorpio. You'll feel at home. In the next 3 weeks, parang you'll feel na parang wherever you go, kahit sabihin natin you're not really in your physical home, your physical house, you feel that in whatever you do, you feel at home with the people you deal with. You feel at home with the circumstances that are being thrown to you. It just feels very nostalgic and you feel na parang, I'm very comfortable. Yun yung nakikita ko for Scorpio. For Sagittarius, there's a sense of satisfaction. Um, parang ano parang everything you've been working hard for, it fell into place. Kaya parang meron kang sense of parang okay, okay na. I mean, I'm on to my next adventure or my next goal. Kasi nasatisfy na yung mga goals mo, yung mga previous goals mo. For Capricorn, okay, I feel that for Capricorn that you will be protected by the people. Parang siyang may divine intervention. Like people who try to, alam mo yung mga taong galit sa'yo or parang people who try to attack you are being shielded by other people, by the people who you trust the most. So parang there's divine protection para sa inyo. So you don't have to go through those battles anymore. There are other people who do it for you and you are being protected by the universe. For Aquarius, this is a time of purification. It is a time of being able to sit back, relax, try to find that me time. Try it, kasi parang you've been toxic lately. You've been feeling very toxic lately. And this is a time that in the next 3 weeks na parang you'll try to schedule kailan na ba ako makakapag-me time, kailan ko na ba magagawa yung things that I really want to do. Not the things that I have to do, pero the things that I really want to do. Yun. And lastly, for Pisces, okay, it's overcoming obstacles. Marami tayong mga challenges that are there na parang nahihirapan ka na na maayos recently. But in the next 3 weeks, parang slowly pumapasok na sa inyo yung mga answers. Slowly na pumapasok na sa inyo. Parang, okay, the universe is already telling you the plan para maayos mo yung certain problem or problems that you are currently facing. Yan. Okay? And those are the readings for Aries to Pisces. These are the messages of your spirit animals. And if you have questions, if you have, if you want a reading with me, you can message me. And siguro if there are other topics that gusto niyong pag-usapan, anything about well-being, the tarot, personality disorders, ganyan, and how to deal with those things, check my page. I'm also up on YouTube, and I hope to see you in my next video. Okay? Bye!